In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now select any password you wanna get rid of, enter your screen lock and click on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Quick tip, make sure to leave at least one password. Without it, you won't be able to add them manually from settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!